Bloomington, Indiana, USA, March 1978. Set up a normal switch. Screen drive controls. Sticky cord. Oh, look at that. Here's what was connected. What is connected, that broke. Got the F-type connector, that's pretty cool. Don't know if it's Delta gun set, but I don't care because it has the dot mask anyway. Which is really freaking cool. Always wanted one of those. Never thought I'd find one. Didn't even cross my mind that this might have it. This was upstairs. It's in pretty good shape. This would look great in my brother's room because the walls are wood paneled. It just looks freaking awesome. I'm jealous of that. The only thing close to that I have in here is that. Pretty stupid. That was for the workbench. It's supposed to go right there. Just smells like, whoa. That smells like that is so weird. That's the same. That's exactly how that room in there smells. I took a whiff of that and I just like, when I smelled it, I was like, holy crap. And I just imagined my grandpa in there working on the computer back in the day. I might call this TV Sabrina. I don't name my TVs, but I might just keep that on there. Oh, it was almost, is it like 1%? Basically down all the way. Gotta mind the controls here. That comes off quick. I mean, easily. Oh, the cord just stays on. I mean, I've seen the inside of one of these before. 70s RCA. Look at that big freaking thing. I've seen a lot of those too. There's plenty of room to work though. Don't get me wrong. Look, there's plenty. Hell, you could put a bigger speaker in there. As long as it's shielded. WD-40. Oh no, don't use that. Specialist. Contact cleaner. Here we go. RCA CTC 89. We're going to find out together. And you're going to see me in real time react to it. Yes, this is Windows Vista. Oh no, I'm going to get a virus. I'm going to get a virus. Just don't click on stupid shit.
I see you! I see you! I see a reflection!
Paper towels are garbage. Look at all that crap it's leaving behind. ColorTrak. It's apparently a step above the XL100 in quality. Don't know whose logo that is, but that's the company that made it. Grain's in pretty good shape. It's not perfect. Doubt you'll find anything better. In this condition, I mean. You could, though. Should clean up decently. Been cleaning up around here and I noticed something just now. Thought I'd do it on camera. Ooh, look at that. Clean the knob now, better. That's pretty cool. So I can clean that clean that up nicely. Take that to the sink and scrub it. Done. It was a major pain to get this thing back on, but it's on. There's a bit of splotchiness right there. I didn't clean the tube yet. So put a piece of Velcro make that door stay in there, but I took it out. Seems fine. So yeah, there it is. Can't see any scratches on the tube. It's pretty good. It's not filthy, but it does need to be cleaned. Man, it's almost 4 a.m. At 6:15 we'll be hitting the road. It's trash day. Bulk pickup's coming up too, so I might see a few of these out. It's been a while. When was the last one? That Panasonic? I think that was it. Cleaning completed. Here we go. Not a scratch. Not sure what the heck that's about. Oh, that's a phosphor defect. There's some stain right there. It's not coming off. See, it's kind of tilted upwards a bit. So is the cabinet. A lot of people have these on carts. They're on tables and stuff that were lower, like that kind of viewing angle, and they'd kind of look down on it. I like them at an angle like that. It's more at eye level. That's just my preference. Speaking of preference, really don't like that photo cell because when the lights are on, it'll crank the brightness up. Usually watch TV in the dark anyway. Plus there's, I almost said bright out. There's blackout curtains, so there's no glaring sun in the window.